If the window coverings in your van, car, or RV are driving you nuts because they just won't stay up, or they're just starting to look like crap from sun exposure, well, I've got some solutions for you. Welcome to SWELLER'S and Dwellers. When I install the window shade, you can see I've got these helpful springy clips that keep it in place. What are the springy clips? Let me show you. If you look on the back side of a picture frame, you'll see that it's got these exact clips holding the picture in place. I found that these clips have the perfect springiness and tension to keep your window covering secured even on the bumpiest roads. And the ones I found actually had this cutout in the end, which worked perfectly for attaching underneath the screw that holds the window in place. The cutout on my clip was a bit too narrow to straddle the screw on the window, so I had to drill it out a bit larger. If yours doesn't have a cutout at all, you can also do this to make one. The other thing you'll notice about my window shades is that I have this strip of cardboard on the edge. This serves two functions. I've sized them so that the metal clips land just over the edge of them and catch on the lip, thereby providing extra holding power. After you've had your window coverings for some time, you may find that they begin to curl because of the constant sun exposure and heat. Well, this is where the second benefit of the cardboard strips comes in. The rigidity of the cardboard strips helps prevent the shades from curling. Now, I know my cardboard reinforcing strips don't look all that great. If you want something that looks nicer, I suggest you try a corrugated plastic that comes in a multitude of colors from any hardware, craft, or dollar store. And if you're wondering how I made these super cool window coverings, with the classy bamboo look on one side and the heat reflective silver on the other, for only $5 for all of my windows? Well, you can find out. There should be a link to the video on how to do it right here, or it'll just be in the YouTube video description. If you don't just think I'm some sort of crazy lunatic, then I would be humbled if you would consider subscribing to my channel and giving the video a thumbs up. It's the only way you can support me and let me know you like what I'm doing and you want me to continue. Until next time, keep exploring, making the most of every day, and I'll see you in the next video.